Oh yeah, birthday party celebration.
Cheetos.
What kind of snacks do we got for the road trip?
Cheetos.
Cheetos. Can you please tell us what kind of donut we're about to eat?
Pop tart.
Oh yeah.
You're over there, Auntie.
You look good, kid. You look good.
Oh yeah, there's a trail down there, Auntie. Sheepies!
Little cutie pie.
We made butter and sugar, and it made this icing that tastes delicious.
Pretty incredible decorations you got going.
We made the best icing ever! Yeah! Yeah! 2-layer cake! Chocolate at the bottom, vanilla at the top. No honey drop.
Oh my goodness.